Money siya guys, ang Costa Vida. Fresh Mexican grill, drive-thru too. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. And we here in Costa Vida. Waiting for Daddy.
And the flash.
RJ is the flush. Paabot ming Daddy kay nagpalit siya og pagkaon. Our dinner later. RJ na. Our later dinner. No, Daddy, that RJ. Daddy's sunglass, not yours. Don't do that. No, it's too full. O, ipakita na ko sa inyo guys kung say itsura diri. Sige na. Money siya guys, ang Costa Vida. Fresh Mexican grill, drive-thru too. Diri, money siya. Daddy, naasa sila. Nagpalit o burrito. RJ.
It's the beach.
The beach.
We brought
Beach
this.
lotions.
We bought this on the beach,
Yeah.
but it's not edited yet because it's so big.
You're funny. Well, what's that, RJ?
If you're hot, put on sunscreen. Banana bow. Ultra Sport.
Yeah.
Open it up.
Yeah.
It's there.
No, don't open.
That's how you
What's
say.
that there?
That's how you say the banana boat new
You.
version. Hey guys, can you look at here?
No, don't shake.
There is a power out yet also in here, guys.
Yeah.
But you need something to put it in. There's also a power out here.
Yeah.
And a USB here. That
Yeah.
how it is. And guys,
What?
we got Daddy's camera in here. Got Daddy's eye drops. I don't know why I'm showing that though, but I'm crazy. So
Yeah.
RJ Crazy Boy has been also deleted.
You're funny. Yeah, that's it now.
And one thing, guys.
What?
Arrowhead.
Arrowhead. Yeah.
Throw this in a plastic cup. I am wrong. And you also got Daddy's.
Brush. Daddy brush. You're funny.
And you also.
Funny, RJ. You're missing teeth. You're still missing teeth. Oh, no.
And this one to use.
Oh, no, you're not to brush your
This
teeth.
one to use.
This,
This two.
yep.
And you also got the pour.
Don't do that.
The purr. You have
Okay,
the
that's
purr.
it for
And
now.
also,
RJ.
if you want there is yeast to pour out of here,
Yeah.
bam! Kick it out to Kroger.
Yep. Like a bird.
Yep, and you could talk.
There's the top. No, a bird there.
Ah,
see
there
the
goes the
bird.
bird! Kick this one out. But I'm gonna use it. Watch me, guys.
What's he doing now? Okay, enough. Enough.
That's enough.
Okay. Okay, clean up your hands. There you go.
Just have to kick this out. Right, guys? You don't even want. But one thing, guys. One thing.
What?
Not know what you're supposed to have every time.
Yeah, there's daddy.
Every time
Yeah,
you're supposed to have a tap.
daddy is here.
All the time you're supposed to have a brush.
There's daddy food. Bring daddy food.
Put these
There.
on the floor over here.
Okay.
Don't step on those.
There's daddy.
Okay. I'm
Okay.
crazy.
Okay, that's it for now. Bye bye.